Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I'm coming to you today with a breakdown video for CVS for couponing for January 29th through February 4th. I know a lot of y'all requested a breakdown video since I did my last one. Y'all said y'all really enjoyed it. And I do the breakdowns on my haul videos, but I think I'm going to start doing a breakdown video and give it to you on Saturdays for deals that I have found, and then on Sunday when I do my haul video, anything that I found that was not on my breakdown video, I'm definitely going to show you everything I got, but I'll add the breakdown for those individual things that I did not have on the original breakdown video. So that's my plan from now on. Y'all let me know if y'all are gonna like that or not, because like I said before, I do these couponing videos strictly for you all. So let's get right into the breakdown for CVS. Now I have to say CVS has got some great deals going on this week, so I'm excited to bring them to you, and that's why I really made the breakdown video to begin with. So let's start with the first deal. The first deal is by One Crest Scope Outlast mouthwash, and it's the 1 liter, so it's the big ones, and they are originally priced at $4.99. So the deal is when you buy one, you receive a $4 extra care buck, and you're going to use a $1 coupon from tomorrow's P&G insert. You're going to pay $3.99 and you're going to receive that $4 extra care buck back. So it makes that one bottle of mouthwash a 1 cent moneymaker. And you can do this deal twice. So that's why I have limit of 2 there. So you can do the deal twice. So you can get 2 1-liter mouthwashes for absolutely free. Awesome deal, guys. And tomorrow you're definitely going to want to go and pick up your paper, order your inserts, however you do it, because the P&G will be in there. There's going to be a Smart Source and a Red Plum that I know for sure. So the P&G, definitely, this is the time of the month that you always want to buy your inserts. So definitely go and pick those up. Most of the deals that I'm going to show you guys for tomorrow are with tomorrow's coupons. There's not that many that I can actually show you the coupon today because I have to wait till I get my inserts tomorrow. I don't order my inserts online. I do old school and buy them from the paper, so I don't do on those clipping services. Alright guys, next deal I want to show you is the Colgate Max, or the Colgate Total, or the Colgate 2-in-1 toothpaste. They are going to be on sale for $3 tomorrow. There's going to be a 50-cent coupon in the Smart Source coupon, our Smart Source insert for tomorrow, and you're going to get a $2.50 CVS Redbox coupon that everyone's going to get at the Redbox, so make sure to scan your card, and that gives you a tube of toothpaste for absolutely free. And I love the Colgate Max kind. The Total I have plenty of because I've got it for free, but I'm not a fan. I mean, I'll use it, don't get me wrong, it's not bad, but I love the Colgate Max better, so I'm going to try to pick up one of those tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. Freebie right there, love free. Next thing, guys, I'm not going to get this deal, but I put this on here because I know some of you probably use this. This is by 2 Maybelline New York Great Lash Mascara. Oh, I lied. There's another one. I am getting this deal, guys. There's another Maybelline deal I'm going to tell you about in a minute. But this one is the mascara. So you're going to buy 2 of those for $5.99. And there's a deal when you buy 2, you get a $5 ECB. And there's going to be a $3 off of one any Maybelline mascara coupon in the Red Plum tomorrow, so I'm hoping I get that in my Red Plum insert tomorrow. And I'm going to pay $5.98, and then I'm going to receive the $5 extra care buck, so that would make it 49 cents a mascara when you bought 2. So hopefully myself and all of you get that $3 off of one Maybelline coupon tomorrow in the Red Plum, so we can get some cheap mascara. So I'm looking forward to that deal. I've gotten that deal before, guys, but it was with a printable, and gave both of them to my mom because she loves that mascara. Next thing, let's talk about the Almay. So the Almay, guys, I did not get any of the $4 coupons in my inserts last week. I didn't get any of the Nivea last week. So a lot of y'all were telling me about the Nivea deals, and I'm like, I didn't get any of the Nivea coupons, which sucks because I was looking forward to getting some of those deals. But I did, was able to print a bunch of the Almay coupons from coupons.com, and my girl Brittany Tolberg on here, shout out to you, girl. She sent me a bunch of the $4 coupons for Almay as well. So if you still have some of those $4 coupons, what I'm telling you, you're going to buy 2 Almay Shadow Softies eyeshadows for $5.49. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll use 2 of those $4 coupons from the paper or from coupons.com, however you have it, which would make those eyeshadows 12 cents a piece. So that's a good deal. I'm going to try to get those. I use some of my $4 coupons, guys, at Walmart for the face wipes that I love so much in the purple package. They're $4.97, so I was able to get those for 97 cents, which I don't mind paying at all because those face wipes are the bomb. So if you have those and you want some face wipes, go hit up Walmart. This deal, this is the one I was talking about before. It's not Maybelline, it's CoverGirl. Buy 2 CoverGirl Brow Pencil Twin Packs for $4.49. They're buy one, get one half off. There's going to be a $3 off of one coupon in the Red Plum for CoverGirl products tomorrow as well. So you're going to use 2 of those. So it will make those brow pencil twin packs, so a 2-pack, 37 cents a piece, which I used to use those back in the day. I think my mom still uses them, so I might pick them up for my mom, but I know a lot of y'all probably use that, and that's a great deal for 37 cents a piece if you are able to get that at your store. So that's a good deal. Next deal that's pretty good is or I don't mind because I love cereal, as y'all know, and I don't mind paying $1 or less for cereal. So select General Mills cereal, 8.9 to 13 ounces is $2 each when you buy 2 tomorrow. And when you buy 2, you get $1 ECB. There is a $1 off of 2 coupons.com coupon, which I will show you guys. So that's the coupon that you want to use off of coupons.com, and it includes a bunch of different cereals, as you can see, guys. So you can see all the different cereals that you can get if they're included at your store. And you're going to pay $3, receive that $1 extra care buck, and it makes each box of cereal $1 each when you buy 2. So I'm definitely going to try to pick up those. I'm hoping Lucky Charms is included in the deal because besides Frosted Flakes, like y'all know, Lucky Charms is my second favorite. Next thing, guys, let's talk about the Physicians Formula. Is got a good deal going on this week. I don't have a breakdown per se for it because I need to go in the store and actually look at some of the products for the prices. But when you spend $15, you get a $10 extra care buck, which is pretty good because it's usually spend $20 or $30 and get a $10 extra care buck. So that $15 and getting 10 back is pretty good. So I'm going to check that out tomorrow and see some different scenarios I can, put together and maybe utilize that ECB because that's a pretty good one. So I wanted to share that with y'all. Next thing, guys, is the Quilted Northern Ultra Plush Bath Tissue 9 count. Now, that's included with this Brawny deal that's going on and the Angel Soft as well. But I put this one on, and I need y'all's help with this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this because I'm not sure about this deal. So don't take this deal in concrete, set in stone. But it's going to be on sale tomorrow for $4.88. Everybody's going to get an in-app coupon for $1 off for the Northern, for the Angel Soft, or for the Brawny. So everyone's going to get a $1 off coupon on their app, CVS in-app coupon for the Quilted Northern, for the Brawny, or for the Angel Soft. So you automatically get that. You have to send it to your card off your app. So everybody gets that. So it would make it $3.88. But I have this coupon, and y'all let me know what you think if this might work. But I thought this coupon off of coupons.com would work. And let me get it focused for y'all. So this coupon is $1 off any one package of Quilted Northern Ultra Soft and Strong Bath Tissue 9 Mega Roll, and it says available at Walmart, and it's a manufacturer coupon, so you can use it anywhere just because it says available at Walmart. But I'm wondering if the Quilted Northern Ultra Plush Bath Tissue 9 count is the same thing as this. So I'm going to check it out and see if it matches, and if it doesn't, obviously I'm not going to do the deal because I don't use coupons for things that don't apply. But I'm going to check it out and see. So if it does work, guys, and if it does match, then it would make the Quilted Northern $2.88, which, isn't the best, bomb deal, but, not bad for Quilted Northern toilet paper. So I'm going to check that deal out. Y'all let me know what you think about that coupon. I'm interested to know what y'all think. All right, guys, this deal is amazing, this next deal. And if you're in the need of shampoo and conditioner, stylers, this is definitely going to be a deal you want to check out. So the Pantene deal. There is a deal, guys, when you spend $20 on Pantene products, you're going to receive a $5 extra care buck. So you're going to want to buy 6 of them to be able to utilize the coupons. All right, so you're going to pick up 6. You can pick up 6 shampoo, conditioner, or select treatments, it says, that will be $4. Now, in order to use the coupon that's coming in the paper tomorrow, the one that's coming in the P&G, which is $5 off of 3 Pantene products, you have to have a shampoo and a conditioner or styler included. So you can't just get like all shampoos or all conditioners or all stylers. You have to have a little bit of this and that to be able to use those coupons. So you're going to want to mix and match however you want to do it. You're going to use 2 of the $5 off of 3 P&G coupons from tomorrow. Everyone's also going to get a $2 off of 3 CVS Redbox coupon printed at the Redbox machine tomorrow, so you're going to want to use that. And guys, there are still Checkout 51 rebates available for the Pantene. So there's a $2 rebate for the conditioner, a $2 for the shampoo, and a $1 for the styler. So I'm going to try to mix and match shampoo, conditioners, and stylers. And for the Checkout 51, guys, rebate for the styler, it has like the 3-minute miracle that y'all been raving and, suggesting for me to try out. It has that as the picture. So I'm hoping that's included in the deal for CVS, and then I could submit that for my $1 off rebate for checkout 51 and finally try it since y'all have been recommending it. So if I do all that, I'm going to pay $12. I'm going to submit all those checkout 51 rebates, and then I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck. So after all of that, guys, each product will be 33 cents when you buy 6. So that's a great deal for Pantene. If you're in the need, guys, I definitely pick up this, guys. I have so much shampoo and conditioner on backup right now if you've watched my stockpile video, but I pick this stuff up even when I don't necessarily need it for ourselves because we give it away for gifts, for birthday gifts, holidays, family members. So I pick it up when it's cheap like that because then I can afford to give it away. So I'm definitely going to utilize that deal tomorrow, especially since those checkout 51 rebates still apply. So if y'all are interested, guys, that's a great deal. Screenshot that. And guys, hopefully, yeah, I'm leaving them up long enough for you to be able to screenshot them so you can just take them in the store and look at your phone and do the deals. All right, this next one, I really love this one as well. This is Suave Hair Care, and I put Select, guys, but it's going to be the Gold Series kind that y'all know I love so much. So you're going to buy, actually, let's see, how many you're going to buy? You're going to buy 6 of those. You're going to buy 6 of the Gold Series Suave Hair Care shampoo or conditioner, and they're $3 each when you buy 2. So when you spend $15, you get a $5 ECB back. We're supposed to be getting $3 off of 2 coupons from tomorrow's Red Plum, and I hope we get those because you're going to want to use 3 of those. And I don't know if we can do all 3 in the same transaction, guys. I'll have to see when I see the coupon tomorrow because sometimes the Suave coupons say limit of 2 in one transaction, but that's okay because the deal will still apply because you can do a separate transaction with the last coupon and it'll still spit out your $5 extra care bucks. So don't worry about that. You'll just have to split up the transactions. If that is on the coupon, we'll have to see. But you're going to pay $9. You're going to receive $5 extra care bucks back, which makes each shampoo and conditioner 67 cents each when you buy 6. And that's a great deal for the Suave Gold Series because I really like that Gold Series so much. I think it works really great and it is comparable to the higher end brands that it says on the bottle, in my opinion. All right, next thing, guys, is 2 different scenarios I want to share with you. This is a deal where you spend $30 on select grocery items and you get a $10 extra care buck. So I put these 2 deals on here. The one deal at the bottom, y'all know I've been utilizing that, and I have a story about that too. But the first one I thought was good for people that drink Coke products. So if you buy Coke 12-ounce 12-pack or the 12-ounce 8-packs, they're $3 each when you buy 5. So you're going to want to buy 10 packs to get to that $30 threshold. You're going to spend $30, get the $10 extra care bucks back, which makes each 12-pack $2 each when you buy 10 packs. So that's a pretty good deal. I've gotten 12 packs cheaper than that, but if you're in the need for Super Bowl and for parties and stuff coming up, that's a pretty good deal. The other deal that you can do as well with this, so you can only do this as a limit of 1, so you can do one or the other. Buy 6 of the DiGiorno pizzas. They're 12 inches, the big ones that we've been buying. They're $5 each when you buy 2. You're going to use 2 of those buy 2, get 1 free coupons from either coupons.com that we printed. I'm going to show you that in a second. Or supposedly we're supposed to get the same coupon in our inserts, which I'm excited about if we get them, in the Red Plum 129 tomorrow. So either use the one from your paper, guys, or use this one. Is from coupons.com. This is the one that we printed out. And it says up to $6.70 can be taken off, guys, for the free pizza. So that should make them $20, and you receive a $10 extra care buck, which makes them $1.67 each. So that's the same deal I shared with y'all last time on my breakdown video. But let me tell you what happened. They were not ringing up for $5 each. They were ringing up for like 6 something, and then the other one was ringing up for like 3 something. So it was kind of jacked up, and they only took off like the $3 from my free coupon. So it made them like $2 each instead of $1.67, which is still not bad, but it wasn't right. So if that happens tomorrow, if I do that deal tomorrow with the DiGiorno pizzas, I'm going to make sure they take off 5 because that's what the ad states, that they're $5 each, not 6 something and not 3. So I think they did that after the fact to kind of like negate this coupon, but we shall see tomorrow. But if it does that, guys, definitely raise an issue with it because they're supposed to take off $5 on that coupon at least. I know sometimes it goes ahead and takes off the whole $6.70, which is even great, even better, but it did not for me last time. So y'all check that when you do that deal. All right, next thing is, this is also included in the spend 30, get 10, guys, but I'm going to do it regardless without the extra care bucks. The Coke 2 liters are 99 cents, and everyone's going to get a 24-cent Redbox coupon, which makes them 75 cents a 2 liter, which is great because usually the cheapest I can get them at like Walmart is $1. So I'm definitely going to do that. I put this on here, guys. This is the last thing, is the Garnier Facial Care. I'm going to go check on this too. But I thought this might be pretty good. It's spend $15 and you receive a $5 extra care buck. And we have a $3 moisturizer coupon from the Red Plum 1-8 and also a $1 cleanser coupon. Supposedly we're supposed to get a $2 cleanser coupon tomorrow in the Red Plum and some more moisturizer coupons. I know I won't be getting those because, again, my girl Brittany on YouTube here, my friend, she sent me the Garnier coupons because I didn't get them in my insert, so I know I won't be getting them either tomorrow probably. So hopefully you will, though. So I think that's a pretty good deal, though. Spend $15 and get $5. So you should be able to do like the micellar water or the facial wipes or even moisturizers and maybe get a really good deal on that. So check that out. I'm going to look at that and see how that pans out. And guys, again, tomorrow I'm going to bring you my haul video, so I know I'm probably going to have some other deals to share with y'all that I don't have right now, so be on the lookout for that because that always happens, or sometimes these deals don't work out like I wanted to, or sometimes they're even better deals, so you're definitely going to want to watch the haul video to be able to get other deals or get some more tidbits on it. There's also some deals, guys, at CVS on Dove for $1.25 for the hair care if you're interested, or Axe shampoo and deodorant for $1.10 a piece. I didn't put those on here because I've seen way cheaper, so I didn't think that was the best deal to share with y'all. But if you're interested in the Dove or the Axe deal breakdown, let me know and I'll put it in the comments for you guys. Alright guys, so I cannot wait to talk with y'all tomorrow for the haul video. Hope this video helps you out as far as being able to plan and get your breakdown ready for tomorrow to score at CVS. Don't have anything, guys, for Walgreens and Target. Walgreens has chips for $1.88, which is not bad, but I didn't see a ton of other stuff. I know some stuff will pop up and I know I'll be going in there because I have some register rewards to use, so I got to get in there too, but I don't have anything for right now that I saw that was like blowing me away. So I'll let y'all know later about all that though. And y'all have a great night out there, guys. Hope you're able to save big tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up if you love couponing, you love breakdowns and saving money. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already because I do breakdowns, haul videos, couponing stuff, Dollar Tree hauls, everything to save you money. So until next time, guys, y'all have a great night out there. Bye.